Okay, let's move back to our client application now. So I'm just going to clean up the stuff inside here and say close all. And we're going to go to our member service first of all, because we need a method in there to update our database. So I'm going to say update member as the name of the method, and we're going to pass in a member of type member. And we're going to return from this, and we're going to say this.http.put. Make sure we use the put request here, and we're going to say this.base URL plus users. And we're going to pass up the member as an object there. Now we don't need any root parameters here. This is all we need. So please be accurate here. This needs to be a put request going to the base URL plus users just as it is there. And we're passing up this member, which is effectively just the form values to our API. And then let's open up our member edit component.ts. And inside here, we can make some adjustments to our update member method. So instead of the console.log, we do not need that. We're going to say this.member service and update member. And we're going to say this.edit form.value. And we've still got optional chaining there, but that's fine in this case. And we're going to subscribe. Open the curly brackets, and in the next, then we don't get anything back for this, so I'm just going to use an underscore and then say the arrow and open curly brackets, and I'm going to take these 2 lines of code and put them inside the next. And that should be that. So let's go to our browser and test this functionality. I can see my browser's already updated with the new properties from the updates or our testing in Postman. So let's just see if we can make a small update and see if this is successful. So we get all the normal user interface elements. So I'm just going to click Save Changes, and we get the profile updated successfully. Well, that happened very fast. Did that actually work? Well, we'll find out pretty quickly by refreshing our browser. And if the change does persist, that means it has persisted into our database. And we can keep updating, we can update several properties, and if we save the changes, profile updated, we can refresh to confirm that they are persisting. But because we've disabled this button, then we're not going to see the 400 bad request because we're not allowing the users to send up unchanged changes to their profile. But everything seems to be happening a bit too quickly, as in instantaneously, which is actually a really good thing, but not a realistic thing because everything's running locally on our developer machine. And that's not very real world. So what we'll take a look at next is adding some fake delay into our application to give us an excuse to add loading indicators that we'll certainly need when we publish our application. So we'll take a look at that next.